If you want your central air conditioning system to last longer, in this video I'm going to show you a few techniques to keep it in better shape. When it's not in use, you can cover it. It's very important. If you cover it, gotta make sure that it can't be turned on. Because if it can be turned on, there's no way for it to cycle air. If it can't cycle air, it could burn out the compressor. So the outside will look good, but the compressor won't work. So before you cover this, you've got to disable it. One method is to take this blade out for the fuse, turn it around so the fuses are completely disconnected. When you turn this to off, you can't get power to your unit. Now this is a pretty common way to disable it. Sometimes there's just a lever that you pull. You want to be careful on this one because there's high power in here. If you're not comfortable, don't do it. I like the lever type a lot more. Some of these covers are specially made for your unit. This cover is designed to go around the cooling lines and the electrical cords. There's a clip at the bottom to snap everything together. Then there's an elastic strap at the bottom that you can cinch around the entire base. So first you snap everything closed and we can cinch the bottom. You can push the clip and then pull the elastic cords. Just make sure the wind can't get underneath it. And now you're ready for winter, at least as much as you can be ready for winter. So this is how you safely cover up your air conditioning unit for the winter time. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.